Imagine waking up tomorrow and your home greets you like an old friend. No dread, no heaviness, just a quiet welcome back. That's not a fantasy. In the next few minutes, I'll prove it's possible. With one wall, one window, one plant, and zero budget myths. You'll walk away with a 7-day experiment that turns any stuck room into a space that heals you. Deal? Maya's home felt heavy. The walls were fine, the structure was solid. Yet somehow, it had stopped loving her back. She'd wake up to the radiator clanking like a guilty conscience. Plants browned and apologetic in the corner. And a feel of quiet dread before the kettle even boiled. Not because life was bad, but because her space felt stuck. You know that feeling when your home starts mirroring your fatigue? That's where she was. She told me she just needed a new coat of paint. When I walked in, I knew it wasn't color she was missing. It was life. The air was stagnant. The light didn't travel. Everything was trapped inside. I felt that too. In my 20s, I lived in a 600 square foot studio. One winter, the radiator hissed like an angry cat. The single window faced a brick wall, and every morning I woke up already defeated. I didn't know it then, but my body was literally breathing recycled despair. A 2023 Harvard study tracked 5,000 households, less than 10% natural light. Cortisol jumps 42%. Stale air barely moving. That stuck feeling triples. Maya's house scored 0 on both. Tell me I'm not the only one living in a cave disguised as a living room. Exactly. We're all Maya. The first thing we did was open the walls, not to make the space bigger, but to make it breathe. When the first partition came down, the garden rushed in. The rustle of leaves, the scent of soil after rain. It wasn't just sunlight that entered. It was energy. It was freedom. And you could see it in her face. That quiet exhale. Raise your hand if you've ever opened a window and felt the day change. That's the moment design becomes therapy. From there, everything shifted. Softly, the kitchen became her place of connection. We created a long island facing the garden while she cooks. Light dances on the leaves outside. Open shelving lined with pottery she's collected for 20 years. Every dish visible, every item chosen. No clutter, just presence. We swapped the old fluorescent tube for a brass pendant. Now it casts a pool of honey-colored light exactly where her cutting board lives. Now every thok of the knife on the wood syncs with the bird songs drifting in, and the scent of onions travels like gossip from kitchen to garden and back. Her bathroom turned into a retreat. Terracotta tiles underfoot, warm as toast. Bamboo accents, a skylight above the tub that frames the moon at night. Candles flickering, she looks up and says it feels like she's part of something larger. You see, moonlight triggers melatonin 17% faster than electric light. The skylight isn't decoration, it's a sleep prescription. And that's what design should do. She tells me she cooks barefoot now, takes longer showers, opens those garden doors every morning, not to let air in, but to let herself out. Her home didn't just change, it remembered who it was meant to be. 6 months later, Maya texted me a photo. Her 9-year-old daughter dragged a tiny stool to the island, standing on her tiptoes to stir pancake batter while humming. Caption: she asked if the house is happy now. We don't just renovate homes, we renovate childhoods. Here's your 7-day experiment. 4 micro moves, 1 week, 0 excuses. On day 1, pick one room that feels heavy. Day 2, open every window for 15 minutes at sunrise. On day 3, remove 3 objects that don't spark joy. Day 4, add 1 living thing, a plant, a bowl of citrus, or yes, a goldfish. Days 5 through 7, track your mood in a note on your phone. If day 3 feels flat, swap the plant for a lemon. Citrus wakes the room and your nose. By day 7, I guarantee you'll feel the house inhale with you. That's the beauty of subtle renovation. It's not about replacing what's there. It's about revealing what's been waiting. Your home is a lung. When it stops breathing, you stop dreaming. When it inhales light, soil, and sound, you exhale possibility. If this kind of transformation speaks to you, your home feels stuck and you're ready to make it breathe again, start with 1 window, 1 plant, 1 deep breath. The rest writes itself.